I think it's where he's at, the little creek. Dumont Creek. What's going on? Why is he going in reverse? Is he lost? Oh, there's no water no more in the little creek. Oh, it's a van. They probably are lost. Oh, here's the creek. Oh, here it is. There's the creek. Good thing it's paved now. There's a creek. Dumont Creek. And as you guys can tell, we are back in Dumont. Don't forget your pass, guys. We got the pass, the pasecito. Check everything's cool. We got water on the trailer. The firewood got all wet. More than likely. We did have a problem with the, oh, there's the van. We did have an issue with the tire on this side. It went low on us. Let me see if you could see. That one went low a little bit. Well, a lot. It was down to 8 psi. Oh, our fuel tank's on the flow. Well, there goes our fuel. Fresh off the boat. Starting it off with some Jersey Mike's. Kind of got the RV set up already. Got the generator going, everything. A little brewski. And then we'll go out there and socialize. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you could see me, but we are out here at the dunes. We're actually made it a Comp Hill. Can't really tell, but we actually made it out here to Comp Hill already. Pretty late, about 10 p.m. And the guys did not want to come, so we just decided to come out a little bit. And it's actually raining right now. If this music is being too loud, I will end up doing a voiceover, but we are out here. We got Teddy, we got Donkey, and your host Shrek. We out here, guys. Made it back out to Dumont, and we do have rain. Rain in the dunes is crazy. I've never been out here when it's raining, so we'll see what we show you guys. This will be it for the first night. We'll head back to camp and call it a night eventually. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Day 2. Well, for us is day 1 because we got here pretty late last night. But rise and shine up in the morning. We do have our camp locator up there, makeshift. We're trying to work with it, see what we can do to improve it. But this is where we're at right now, ladies and gentlemen. A nice and wet Dumont Dunes. It did rain for the most part of this morning. You can tell the toys are wet, the floor is wet, everything's wet. But everyone's still sleeping, so we will see what time they wake up and then get some breakfast and hopefully go for a ride. So stay tuned, guys. My shit fucking, I was like, I broke my shit. I went, bro, right off the start.
There's no light. You have to take the picture, get up there. Once you get up to speed, if we do a long run, like long,
There we go, there we go. There's that Raider flag.
you can baby it all the way over here.
Kalani won? Oh no.